Hello students, we were doing our chapter number 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities, and in this week we will do algebraic identities. Students, firstly, what is algebraic identities? An equation which is true for every value of the variable is known as an algebraic identity. It means an equation which is true for every value of the variable is known as an algebraic identity. For example, x plus 1, x plus 2 is equals to x square plus 3x plus 2. This equation is true for every value of x. For example, firstly we will take when we will take x is equals to 1, then its left hand side x plus 1, x plus 2 is equals to 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, because x is equals to 1. Then we get 2 into 3, and that is equals to 6. Now we will find value of right hand side. Right hand side is x square plus 3x plus 2, and when we put value of x is equals to 1, then we get 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2, and that is equals to 1 plus 3 plus 2 equals to 6. It means for x is equals to 1, its left hand side is equals to right hand side. It means x is its solution. X is solution of this equation. Now we will check solution of this equation at x is equals to 3. For x is equals to 3. So left hand side of this equation is x plus 1, x plus 2. When we put value of x is equals to 3, then we get 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2. That is equals to 4 into 5 equals to 20. And when we put value of x is equals to 3 in right hand side, then right hand side is equals to x square plus 3x plus 2. When we put x is equals to 3, then we get whole square of 3 plus 3 into 3 plus 2, and that is equals to 20. So left hand side equals to right hand side. It means x is equals to 3 is also solution of this equation. It means this equation is true for every value of variable. This is true for value of variable is equals to 1, and this is true for value of variable equals to 3. So this type of equations are called algebraic identities. Students, in this class we will discuss about 4 standard identities, and those identities are whole square of x plus y is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, and whole square of x minus y, that is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square, and x plus y, x minus y is equals to x square minus y square, and x plus a, x plus b, that is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In this class we will read these 4 identities, and now we will do proof of these identities. So our first identity is x whole square of x plus y is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X plus whole square of x plus y. So we can write x whole square of x plus y is equals to x plus y into x plus y. It means we can write square of 2 as 2 into 2. So square of x plus y is equals to x plus y into x plus y. Okay, now this is multiplication of a binomial by a other binomial, and we will do this multiplication by distributive property. Firstly we will multiply x by x plus y, and next we will multiply y from x plus y. So x into x plus y plus y into y plus y. So x into x plus x into y plus y into x plus y into y. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition, and we did it. So x into x, that is equals to x square, x into y, xy, y into x, yx, and y into y, that is equals to y square. So x square plus xy plus yx plus y square. And we know that by commutative law of multiplication, xy is equals to yx. So x square plus xy, we can write yx as xy plus y square. So x square xy plus xy, that is equals to 2xy plus y square. It means whole square of x plus y is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is our first identity. Remember one time again, whole square of x plus y is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now we will do our next identity, that is whole square of x minus y. We can write whole square of x minus y as x minus y into x minus y. Okay. So now we will do multiplication of binomial by any other binomial by distributive law. So x is multiplied by x minus y and minus y is multiplied by x minus y. So x into x minus y minus y into x minus y. This is distributive law. Now x into x plus minus minus x into y minus plus minus y into x minus minus plus y into y square. This is distributive law. So x square minus xy minus yx plus y square. So x square minus xy minus, we can write yx as xy, commutative property of multiplication. X minus xy plus y square. So x square minus xy is equals to minus 2xy plus y square. So whole square of x minus y is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is our second identity. Now third identity, x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y, and that is equals to x square minus y square. This is multiplication of a binomial by any other binomial. So firstly, x is multiplied by x minus y. Second, plus y is multiplied by x minus y by distributive law. X into x. Okay, x into y, xy, and plus minus minus. Plus 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 y into x plus minus minus y into y. So x into x, x square minus xy plus yx minus y into y, y square. Now x square minus xy and yx is equals to xy by commutative law of multiplication. So yx is equals to xy minus y square as it is. So minus xy plus xy, that is equals to 0. So we get x square minus y square. So x plus y, x minus y is equals to x square minus y square. This is our third identity. Now our fourth identity, x plus y, x plus a into x plus b, that is equals to x square plus a plus b x into a plus a into b. So x plus a, x plus b. Firstly we will multiply x by x plus b, then plus a will be multiplied by x plus b. So x into x plus b plus a into x plus b by distributive law. So x into x plus x into b plus a into x plus a into b. Distributive law of multiplication over addition. So x into x is equals to x square, x into b, xb, a into x, ax, a into b, ab. Now x square, ax, xb is equals to xb plus ax is equals to ax plus xb. This is commutative law of addition. X square plus ax plus bx plus ab. So x square plus ab as it is, and ax plus bx. When we take common x, then we get a plus b. So x square plus a plus b, x plus ab. This is our fourth identity. X plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So students, today you have to learn these four identities. Whole square of x plus y is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Whole square of x minus y is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. And x plus y into x minus y is equals to x square minus y square. And x plus a, x plus b, that is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. And in our next video, we will do some questions that will be based on these algebraic identities.